Hi, short video show condition of this Miele solution HEPA 5281 2200 watt vacuum cleaner. So it comes in good clean condition. I have taken all the covers off and filters off and put brand new filters on it, cleaned it. It comes with 3 bags, 2 there, 1 inserted, new HEPA filter and a new filter for the motor cover here. Comes with 3 Miele original tools, the Turbo Tech head which I've taken apart and cleaned, and a Parku twister head. Also the wand and the hose. I'll just show it working quickly. I will show it without that on first of all. I'll do this one-handed. One moment, can't do it one-handed. So it is in good clean condition. It does have some used marks, as you can see in the pictures, and on the back that is the model number S5281 and the serial number. So new filters, 3 new bags, in good working order. Any questions at all, please ask. Thank you.